Welcome back to the Jamaican Taste Buds Kitchen. My name is Aisha, and today I got something very special for you guys. I will be making my very own pineapple and cucumber juice. Guys, this recipe is not only delicious but also nutritious. So if you want to know how I put the flavor of love into this recipe, just stay tuned for more. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. And tell me what you think about my recipe today. These are the ingredients for my cucumber pineapple juice. I got 2 cucumbers over here. I got some ginger, a whole lime, and half of a pineapple. Guys, this recipe is just a simple, healthy recipe, guys. And over here, I am not gonna get rid of the peel. I'm gonna save the peel because this peel here, it has medicinal properties. And pineapple, as you know, is a superfood. So pineapple doesn't only contain vitamin C, it also contains potassium and also fiber. So guys, what I'll be doing later is I'll be cutting up the pineapple peel. I'll be boiling it in some water for a little bit and then leave it overnight so it could soak in properly, and I'll make a separate juice. The pineapple peel supports you in red blood cells. It contains keratin in the peel, which helps to block against cataract in the eyes. And for the men, it also protects your prostate. The peel in the pineapple also is a cancer cell blocker, and this actually kills intestinal parasites. Okay guys, what I'll be doing, I'll be cutting my cucumbers just in quarters, because what happened, guys, I'm gonna save the peel off the cucumber, because what happens is that all the fibers that you need is in that peel of the cucumber. And I'm telling you guys, this is very healthy for you. Okay guys, so what I'll be doing is I'll be putting a little of the cucumbers, then a little of the pineapples, and add some ginger. Then what I'll be doing, guys, is adding some water and blend. And then we just strain. Okay guys, so what I'll be doing right now is I'm just rolling my lime, my whole lime, to get most of the juices active and to get the most juice out of my lime. So then what I'm gonna do, guys, is just cut the lime in half, and then I'll be just squeezing that half of the lime, and then another. This is 5 tablespoons of sugar. So I just add the 5 tablespoons of sugar, then I'm going to mix. Guys, take a look at this beautiful cucumber pineapple juice. Just the ginger and the lime, guys, give this cucumber pineapple juice a boost. Okay guys, so what I'll be doing now, I'll be preparing the pineapple peel to be boiled. Guys, remember to wash your pineapple peels carefully, because a lot of times there are insect eggs on the peel, especially sour flies, and you don't want a sour fly infestation in your house. In order to get rid of sour flies and other insects, you have to get rid of the culprit. So guys, wash your peels properly. You don't want to ingest those eggs. I'll be adding just 2 cups of water. This is enough for half of a pineapple. And then what I'll be doing, guys, I'll be bringing this pineapple to a boil, and then we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I boiled my pineapple peels for about 30 minutes. What I'll do guys is I'll leave the pineapple peels in this juice that I boiled overnight, and this will actually make the juice stronger. And then what I'll do is strain it off, put some lime juice and some sugar, and I'll have a very delicious and nutritious drink. Okay guys, so this is the pineapple peel that I actually soaked overnight after it's been boiled. So what I'll be doing guys is I will be straining my pineapple juice, and guys, it has such a beautiful aroma coming from it. And then guys, what we're gonna do is just discard off these peels because we no longer need them. So what I'll be doing now guys is I'm just gonna transfer the same pineapple juice, and for now I'm gonna be adding a piece of ginger. Then what I'm gonna do guys, I'm going to just blend the ginger into my pineapple juice just to give it some flavor. After I've blended my ginger, this is what it looks like. What I'll be doing now guys, I'll be straining off the ginger off my pineapple juice, and that's what's left from the ginger. And I'll be discarding the blended ginger. Okay guys, what I'll be doing now is just adding my half of a lime. You could use lemon, you could use lime, but I feel like since I'm from Jamaica, I prefer to use a lime. It's easier to get back in Jamaica. And I just use a strainer so that the pulp won't be included in the juice. After that guys, I'm just gonna add 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. I could use brown sugar, but I want my pineapple juice to still have that beautiful color guys. This is how we do it in the Jamaican Taste Buds kitchen. And after that, you chill with ice. And enjoy. Okay guys, so hope you enjoyed my recipe today on my healthy cucumber and pineapple juice. And guys, this is gonna be such a delicious juice guys. It's not only tasty, but it's also very nutritious. Okay guys, try out these 2 juice recipes today. It's not only delicious but also nutritious. Okay guys, here I have my juices that I made. I have my cucumber and pineapple juice, and over here I have my pineapple juice which I made from the peels. So now I have my juices, it's time for the taste test. Guys, this one is really good. All that ginger and the lime that comes out in the cucumber pineapple, and also the cucumber and the pineapple flavor. And I'm gonna try the pineapple juice. Guys, I'm telling you, the ginger in this pineapple juice, all that flavor that's been infused in the pineapple juice, I recommend that you try this recipe guys. This is not only delicious, but it's also nutritious. Guys, just try this recipe and let me know what you think. Guys, as my granny used to say, so food for taste.